Today, we're diving into how to display tagged posts on Facebook using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open Facebook on your PC. Once logged in, locate your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Next, navigate to Settings and Privacy and select Settings from the options provided. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy to access privacy settings. Then, select Profile and Tagging to customize your profile visibility and tagging options. Beside the section, Who can see what others post on your profile? Click on the drop-down menu to reveal more choices. Choose Everyone to allow a broader audience to view posts on your profile. Once you've made your selection, simply click Done to save the changes. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and showcase tagged posts on your Facebook profile using your PC. Enhance your social media experience and connect with others seamlessly. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has been informative and helpful in guiding you through displaying tagged posts on Facebook. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your social media presence.